This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You power the speaker now, listen for the startup tone, and note the LED color because it tells you charging or low battery. Next, open your phone's Bluetooth list and make sure the speaker is visible. If it's paired, you'll see a connected label. If the speaker has an app, launch it to read the battery percentage. This is the most precise method. Once done, keep the speaker awake and proceed to a deeper check so you don't misread transient indicators. You now confirm the battery level with a reliable tool. The maker's app often reports exact percentage, so sync it and refresh the status to avoid stale values. If you don't have an app, play audio for 1 to 2 minutes while watching the phone's Bluetooth battery indicator. A rapid drop shows poor health. Also monitor speaker LEDs during playback, blinking, or color change can indicate low power. Once you understand the readout, you'll know whether to charge or troubleshoot next. You finish by connecting the original cable and charger. Charge to at least 80% to preserve runtime and recalibrate battery reporting. If the percentage stays wrong after a full charge, unpair and reset the speaker, then repair it. This often fixes software reporting errors. Make sure to check for firmware updates in the app. Manufacturers release fixes for inaccurate battery indicators. If problems persist, test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.